Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of May. If you're looking for a weekly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, please click on the videos section and you will find your reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what's happening for you in the month of May. In the beginning, you've got the Seven of Moons and the Page card. Okay, I do see that you are over analyzing a situation, probably dreaming, daydreaming, fantasizing about somebody. They might not be as good as you want them to be, right? I do see that instead of facing the reality, you are idealizing someone, right? You want them to be a certain way, look a certain way, behave a certain way. But when you come closer to that person, when you know that person, you know that they are not fitting the criteria, right? Because your expectations are not realistic, and don't unnecessarily try to fit one person in that ideal scenario, because nobody is perfect, nobody is ideal, and not this person as well, right? So this might break your heart because they might not turn out to be what you expected them to be, right? So they might look loyal, they might look like a person you can rely on, a person that you want, but I do see that you are daydreaming a lot, you're fantasizing a lot. I also see that you could be traveling in the first week of May for work or for your, for this person specifically, or somebody is traveling for you, but make sure to not have very high expectations from this situation, right? Otherwise, you'll end up disappointing yourself. In the second week, you've got the Alchemist and the Seven of Suns. I do see that you seriously are looking to settle down now. You were an adventurer, you wanted to explore options, you wanted to travel. If that is your career, if that is your work, I do see now you don't want a traveling job, too much traveling job, right? You want a job which is like stable 9 to 5 near your home, where you can spend a lot of time with your family and friends as well. And if this is a relationship, if you're single and still looking for the one, I do see that you could face challenges. It will not be very easy for you to find a partner. Like you went out, saw the first proposal, and they are your ideal perfect partner. No. It is like a mountain that you will have to climb this month. It won't be an easy job, but yes, eventually you will find success. So if you're trying to, if you're almost reached that stage where you just want to give up and you think there's no one who's meant for you, don't think like that, because I do see you getting a lot of success. You're very, very near. Okay, you have almost climbed up the mountain. The success in your business, in your work, and in your relationships is just a step away. Coming to the later half of the month, you've got the Four of Stars and the Devil card, and you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising. I do see some Libra Sun Moon Rising either could break your heart, or you could have Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. This is a devil energy. This is a toxic energy. Somebody who's a narcissist, somebody who's a player, right? So if you strike such a person, they might look very attractive and charming and maybe even fit your criteria of being tall or handsome or beautiful, whatever, but they are not the ones for you. They will play you like anything. Okay, so please be very careful, because see, when you're looking for the right partner, you will be meeting a lot of people which are not even good. It's like you have to kiss many frogs before you meet your prince, right? It's the same situation with you. So please make sure that they are not a frog, they are actually the real prince. And try to identify the toxic people in your life. A lot of people ask me, how do we identify? See, when you meet someone, watch their words and actions if they're matching or not. Second, how are your energies around that person? Are you feeling drained, tired? Are you feeling heavy? Are you feeling restless? Then this person is not for you. They are energy vampires. They're only going to suck your energy, drain you. So please be very careful and cut these people out immediately, okay, before you get hurt. Coming to the last week, that means the end of the month, you've got the Astronomer and the Five of Suns. I do see that you are a perfect partner for someone who can care for people who are sick, someone who can take care of the home also, work also, right? Probably you're looking for the very same kind as well. You want someone who's more like you. I also see that the people you're talking to could be talking to multiple people as well. It's not only you who are looking for, the perfect partner and talking to multiple people, but your partner is also talking to multiple people as well. There is a competition in every field you get into these days, right? Your work has competition, your business has competition. Probably you are applying for a job and you know that that company has a lot of applicants. You're also very fearful as to whether you will be selected or not. Worry not, because I do see the company choosing you, your customers choosing you, this partner choosing you. So no matter how hard the competition is, never give up because of the competition. You give your best and you leave the rest to God. I do see you coming out on top. I do see you getting successful in some way. So yes, keep on trying. Don't give up. Don't give up, I think, is the mantra for you this month, because I do see that you could face some issues in this month where you will want to quit, okay, like a mountain that you're climbing right now, dealing with the competition. So don't give up. You're very, very, very near to success. By the end of this week, you will find yourself in a successful position, okay. So this was your monthly reading. If you guys like this reading, resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know which situation do you resonate with the most. I would love to read it. I will like your comment, I mean, and I will try to reply to each and every comment of yours if possible. Also, if you would like to book any sort of personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, I do that as well. You have to email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel also, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because I post such details on a daily basis over there. I do have packages, multiple sort of services, audio, video call sessions and whatnot. So DM me to know more about it. Email me to know more about it. Know about the prices, extremely cheap and powerful services that I have available. Thank you for watching my channel. I would love to hear from you. I will be waiting to hear from you, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.